Welcome to Terra Naturals. Today in this video, let us explore the color changing blue tea and its benefits. This blue tea is rich in antioxidants, supports skin health, improves brain function, and offers calming effects. Let's get started. First, remove the green part of the flower and wash it thoroughly. Butterfly pea flowers are vibrant blue blossoms known for their antioxidant-rich properties and ability to naturally color food and beverages. Add washed flowers in a pan and add required amount of water. Add 2 pieces of cinnamon into it and allow it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Adding cinnamon to blue tea enhances its flavor, aids digestion, boosts metabolism, and provides anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Now, filter the blue tea. Adding lemon to blue tea enhances its flavor, boosts vitamin C content, and helps improve digestion and immunity. The color of blue tea changes when lemon added because its primary ingredient, butterfly pea flower, contains anthocyanins. These are pH-sensitive pigments that shift from blue to purple or pink when exposed to acidic substances like lemon juice. Adding lemon to blue tea enhances its antioxidant properties, boosts vitamin C and improves digestion, while drinking it without lemon preserves its natural earthy flavor and soothing qualities. It's best to consume blue tea 2 to 3 times a week for optimal health benefits without overdoing it. Once give a try and leave your feedback. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you.